The Galaxy Z Fold 5 launched at $1,800. This one costs just under $1,200. What's the difference between them? At the end of the day, about $630, as Samsung's expansion of its certified renewed program now finally added Galaxy Z series devices for the first time ever. Price has been the big reason why so many has stayed away from the foldable market. So could Samsung's latest announcement convince more people to purchase one for themselves? Let's take a look at the details. Samsung has had a certified renewed program for a while now. Since launch, this program has only been for its flat, more traditional smartphones that they are currently selling. But news this week confirms that this has changed, and they are now offering their flagship foldable phones, the Galaxy Z series, under this program. So what does this mean in terms of price? Let's break it down. The Galaxy Z Flip 5, the super stylish pocket-sized foldable within the certified renewed version, starts at just $650. That is a massive drop from its original price. And then the big one, the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the productivity powerhouse that's a phone and a tablet in one. This beast now starts at just under $1,200. That is over $600 in savings. It makes it one of the best value premium devices that you can get right now, especially if you have been tempted to upgrade to a foldable phone these last few years. I know you're probably already on the fence about this news. Hearing the word refurbished is an easy way to convince some people to simply stay away from it. Not everyone likes the idea of using a used smartphone, because you probably imagine getting someone else's scratched up, worn out phone with a dying battery. But Samsung's certified renewed program goes above and beyond the traditional refurbished programs that you may have seen in the past. Samsung is promising a, quote, like new, end quote, experience here. Here's what the company is doing to make sure that these renewed devices are in pristine condition. First, every single one of these devices is serviced by actual Samsung specialists. Second, if anything is replaced, it's with a 100% genuine Samsung part. So there aren't going to be any cheap knockoff parts used here. Third, and this is a big one, every single phone here gets a certified new battery. That is probably the biggest concern with used phones, and it's completely solved here. And finally, the ultimate peace of mind, this is going to be backed by Samsung's official 1-year manufacturer warranty, the exact same warranty that you would get with a brand new device. You're basically going to be getting a phone that looks and performs new with a brand new battery and a full warranty for hundreds and hundreds of dollars less. It's the smartest way to get in the world of foldables without the insane price tag that they've been launching at. So even if you don't get a new hinge or a new screen, you're still protected with a warranty for that first year. I've got to say, I am a bit impressed by this new push. I have consistently thought that a foldable phone would be nice to have, but not for the price that they have been selling for lately, which is on top of what is already an expensive price tag for high-end smartphones these days. I do appreciate the commitment to sustainability too, since this will keep less e-waste from going into a dump somewhere. And it's a great way to save some money with so many of us already pinching pennies to get from week to week. But I want to hear from you about what the price point needs to get to before you decide to try out a foldable as your daily driver. So share your thoughts down in the comments section below, and I'll see you back here on Monday. Just don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel too, if you haven't done so already.